Okay, nu no ku yo show ne how ku or ku your tracks, my new tracks that I've been working on. Ja not ye yo ija or EDM track that I've been trying to put together. Ku stoa EDM track doing that. So this is my first attempt at it. So all you DJs, please don't murder me with your comments. So ku start ye. I start with a like a piano-ish like string. So this is how it sounds like. And then I layered it with this string here too. So this string goes by itself in Indonesian. Okay, kuchalu kind of it's like a guitarish space piano. So just gonna solo this so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Yep, so something like that. Add these. Chị cũng tao có sounding down đó nè. Chị cũng add lu it's called a space piano. Black hole piano, sorry. This is that's my riff. So it starts out like this. After Pandati ku add colorful carpet here. Then I added this one also. Then I added the kick drum. Snares. I layered the two snares together to have a better sound. Then I added this EDM lead. So to ku cho kia tan thọ na ni sound lên nó cho cái tan thọ của your tracks I think I have a bunch of tracks because come one layer okay na. So you see all these tracks they're pretty much layered, and then I did some vocals but I'm not gonna put those on. Yeah, but tracks dolin dolsa. So you have to kind of do that with the EDM tracks. So, yep, my first attempt, and this is how it sounds like. Some of you have heard of this, like this music in our kind of like our promotion for our concert on December 30th. And a lot of people don't notice it, but yeah, it's I've been working on this for a few months now, so this is how it sounds like. So your next charge point, your track can there's like a bunch of them. Here comes the risers. sequencers are very important in EDM tracks. So yeah, I think nowadays you go watch your tracks on the DAWs now. It's a on these type of workstations. It's 你用耳朵頭俾部台俾我咪俾我好 sequencers 啊，亦俾我好 keyboards，it's like your drum tracks，not 個拉到個先啦。So it's very challenging. 但是我哋個 it's kind of like 個 use 嚟講一好些，it's like drag and drop. So it's easier to do. But I feel like you got your tracks now. You still have to play something in there because you got it's for me it's just not me. It's just not my style. So for me, I have to incorporate some stuff in there by myself. You can drag and drop like your pre-made stuff. It's anybody could do that. But for me, I want to at least play something in there, so that it sounds like it's me producing it instead of just drag and drop the host. So, yep, this is it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget we we have a concert coming up on the on 12/30th in Fresno. So if you guys I'm gonna be playing this song. We're gonna be singing this song also. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. So don't forget to buy your tickets. All right. Thanks. Bye.